All right, this is part 7 of the Tamiya Lunch Box mini kit build. And today we're going to be working on steps 20 and 21, which are the tie rods. So we're going to need 2 each of these rod ends. So let's grab those. Okay, and we're going to need this BB5, which I think is going to be a 1.5 millimeter. Yep. And we're just going to twist this into the long end. It says to leave about 5 millimeters. I think that's pretty good. And then we're going to twist on the short end. If you don't have one of these rod end wrenches, you can just use needle nose pliers like they have here. And we need to have them alternating in direction. So the longer end is going to be pointing down, and then other side we're just going to do a 90-degree perpendicular like that. And we're going to need 2 of each, so we're going to be making 4 in total. So we will be cutting these out. Let's just go ahead and do the fronts first. All right, same. This one is going to be a 90-degree like that. And let's do 2 more. These are going to be for the rear, so the cup directions are going to be a little bit different. And for this one, this cup is going to be facing us, and this cup is going, they're both going to be facing us. So they're both going to be like that. So this is the rear. So again, they're facing the same direction. Set those aside. And let's go ahead and bring in the chassis here. So these were for the front, and the long side is going to go on the upright right here. And this end is going to go into that ball connector. Okay. All right, same thing. Let's do this end first. Okay, and snap on there. And so when you're done, it should look something like that. Pretty cool. Let's do the same with the back side. Again, the longer end is going to go here. And this one is going to go on there. the long end and then the short end. There we go. Okay, so that's what it will look like when you're done. Okay, awesome. So we're going to stop here today, and the next video we'll work on step 22. I believe it's going to be an optional part, which is a battery, AA battery holder, and I do have this. You do have to purchase separately, I believe. But I will be building this, and I'll show you how to do that in the next video. So thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.